Hey guys, it's Eric here. I'm just going to make another video on another build setup that I've just finished building. This is my girlfriend's Yokomo RD2.0. In this video, I'm just going to talk about what electronics I used, how easy it was to build, and just my overall thoughts on a Yokomo. So as a servo, I went with a OMG D2. I just like this servo. It was my first time ever trying it. Works pretty decently. This was a budget servo. So we went budget again for the ESC and used a Hobbywing 10BL 60N. Super cheap ESC, but still works pretty good. And I paired it with the Rocket Thunder 540 motor in a 10.5. This motor is just great. I love this motor. I just want to give a quick shout out to Jake at my local RC drift track. He did the wire meshing and all the wire management for me. There's his Instagram on the screen. Does an awesome job. For the gyro, I went a Power HD G1 gyro. I was a bit skeptical at first because I've always run a Yokomo V4, but this lived up to its name. It's pretty good. For wheels and tyre setup, I'm running some Rev D wheels with DS Racing LF3s, as that's the track control tyres. Overall, the Yokomo, you can't go wrong. Such a good chassis for the price, especially. This came down to $330 just for the chassis. I'll put all the links in the description where I got everything from, in case you want to build this exact setup. But you just can't go wrong. Stock settings are just amazing. It drives super well. For the body, we went with a eBay R32 GTR build. I just bought it secondhand. It's pretty beat up, but it's only for a beginner. She's just learning out on it, so it'll do her well. So for now, I'll just turn up the music and you can watch and enjoy some driving clips. It is a lot more difficult to get used to at the start, but once you get used to it and dialed in, just works super well. Thanks guys for watching this video. If there's more chassis you want to see, just drop them in the comments and I'll try find some to review. But I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you for watching.